Hello, everybody. Welcome again. I just wanted to say like thank you so much for the whole support that you've been giving me for the last couple of days or weeks. I just want to say this. There's a Somali singer named Suldaan Serer. I don't know Serer. I know the brother that sings Hamar Bila. You know the song. That brother. He's coming to East London on the 14th of November. He is performing in the UK. If you're from the UK, please go grab the tickets. He's an amazing Somali performer, a singer. Everyone loves him. I don't know if you know his song went viral as well. Go out there and support him. He's gonna be performing, I think, from 7 to 11, you know, p.m. to on the 14th, because obviously in the UK you have to close everything up. Like, I don't know why. Yeah, so grab the tickets. Amazing Somalis. I think he's gonna have a lot of other Somali singers out there. Hopefully, if he gets to like the Fari, Fahia Fight, Faska and all the other amazing Somali singers, that would be amazing. If you don't speak English, that's perfect also. I just want to say like waxaan rabaa inaan idin sheego dadkeena dhan Suldaan Sareer wuxuu imaanayaa wadanka Ingiriiska insha Allah inuu perform gareyna u maleyna. He's definitely performing on the 14th of November in London, and then like I think he's gonna go to America after. So Mareykanka inuu aadi doona u maleyna. Tickets ka soo gata daawada support gareeya dadka Soomaalida out there. Amazing Somali singer. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. That's the other news. On the other news as well, I wanted to ask questions. This is the other question. I don't know if you lot heard about the Japanese princess. Yeah, this is a bit awkward. It's just I like to ask questions. You know me. She was a princess, right? So she left her actual title because she fell in love with someone who wasn't actually from the royal family, and like she have in the Japanese culture, you have to hand it, your royalty or your royal name like after you marry someone who's not from a royal family. So she pretty much left her relationship for love. Basically, she left her title for a relationship. So I wanted to ask a question: would you do the same thing? Would you leave your royalty title for love? If you was getting married to someone that was not from the same background as you, but and basically you fall in love with them, but your family told you not to marry them, would you actually consider leaving your royal family title for love? Because that's what she did. I just wanted to know. Comment below and let me know if she's making the wrong decisions. Personally, I tell you the truth, that is a big title to actually give away for love purposes. I don't know if I would be able to do that. If I was a king and someone told me you're gonna lose the title for love, I don't think I would have done that, because you just never know. Because love, ends, and if it ends, it ends, and then like you're gonna come back to your family and you still don't have the title, because title is important sometimes. So comment below what you think about that story. I just wanted to put it out there. I know it's nothing to do with this, There's probably a lot of Somalis watching this, but also like, I want everyone to be able to get involved. Do you know what? Yeah, please subscribe and support us, and like we're just getting to know how this thing works. We don't know yet. I don't know if you can see. I'm pretty much just recording here. I don't have anyone yet, but I'm willing to put everything out there so that you lot can see how we started and the progression it took to be able to achieve where we are aiming to be. So make sure you support this, and thank you so much, innit? Thank you. Peace. Have a good day.